And welcome to Florence Ballard A3060, however the Hotpoint 953A, Miele W560 washing machine, and the greatest groups of the 1960s, the Beach Boys and the Supremes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm at a American Laundromat, and this is a Dexter commercial washer. I don't know what the model number is, but just going to empty all that in there basically. Someone's going to tell me off for mixing colours together, but that's fine, we do that at home. Yeah.
Wherever floats your boat.
And then, see, look like we use powder in there. Would you tear open the top? Is it? Or is there oh no, it's a little pouring smell. This always happens. I can't. Where is it? Main wash compartment. That's probably the big one there, isn't it?
Yeah, the detergent goes here. I don't think it matters. It's gonna go in there anyway. Like,
Yeah.
What it does is the water comes washing up and it'll.
Oh, it washes up. Oh, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it blasts through there.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna tell me off you put too much powder in there. Alright, folks, it's not as much as I put in at home. Quarters, look, not pound coins. How much do you need for it? 7.
7.
1, 2, 3.
7 total. So that's.
Yeah.
That's 7.
Yeah, 7 there. Oh, hang on. I'm gonna be naughty and I'm gonna do hot wash. 175. Does it just start automatically, I guess, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Have a look. 3 quarters.
That should be plenty enough for drying.
Yeah.
Because 1/4 gives you 7 minutes.
Oh, that's good.
Yep.
Have a look.
So that's 21 minutes in total.
That's for a hot wash. That's quick.
Oh yeah, you've got 23 minutes left.
For a hot wash, that's quicker than our machines. And these are the these are the giant. These are the triple loaders, aren't they?
Yeah,
Yeah, these mega loads.
yeah.
Jesus.
$5.50.
Yeah, that fills up fast. See, normally in England, they come up to me. What are you filming your machine for? If you're filming your own machine, it's fine.
It's pretty hot wire.
Yeah, it's got an induction motor, I think. Is this the one you... No, you don't come to this one.
Yeah, I come
you
to
come to this one.
Also, yeah. This is the one I come to with my sister. Like, it depends on how full it is.
They should have benches there, they should.
Oh, yeah.
I think not many people do sit around and watch. Oh yeah, it's a soap.
There it is.
It's not nice actually. Oh yeah, how much water is that using?
I guess just mix it up with the soap so that...
My God. Even our ones don't use that much water. They literally fill to about there. And that. Oh no, some
really?
Oh no, some of them do fill halfway.
That looks like a little more than half, unless... I think it's the suds making it look like more.
Yeah. And guys, these ones distribute and spin. They don't go straight into spin. I don't think these ones. Wait, the door doesn't lock while it's...
Yes, when you have it, when the latch is down, it means it's locked.
Is there another one going back? Oh, I've got one timer is going into that. What should I do? Hang on. Hang on, I might be able to get to... Model number is... I don't even know this. WCVD 18kg or something. Right. See, everyone smiles. See, now in England, I get dirty looks, right?
Oh, really?
They all look at that. They're like,
what is that?
oh, there's a dryers there. They have a wall cycle as well. Wall cycle, heavy duty.
They have what?
They've got a wall cycle.
Oh.
Time remaining. So it washed out all the... Yeah, it took everything. Oh, that's right.
You got it all out, didn't it?
See the drum in there? Oh. The camera got steamed up there.
It's hot in there?
You can see the drum actually going around the...
Oh, you can?
Yeah, if you look at the little hole, you can see it like...
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
It's like heat coming out of it.
I never noticed
So
that.
detergent, bleach and fabric softener. Additional. Oh, he comes the owner, I think. What about you? Dexter.
Man, I wish I could have one of these at home.
I would have one. See, it's hard mount. It's bolted to the plinth.
Oh, the apartments in Louisville, they come with washing machines like this. They're not top loaders.
Oh, the front loaders.
Yeah, the front loaders. And the dryer.
Oh,
It's
clicking.
actually inside the apartment.
Some clicks. How many ceiling fans they got in there?
1, 2, there's one in there.
I have an arcade. They have like a little arcade in there. I'm gonna film like it's raining now. Are we distributing? I don't know what's going on. Oh no, maybe this clicks straight into spin.
The lights just said it's on the wash. So that's just getting ready to rinse.
Oh no, it's not distributing. Maybe these ones don't distribute. Probably it's gonna... Yeah, rinse. So it doesn't spin after the wash. You can't see where it's filling from. I like this idea though, close the door and push down, I like that.
So it locks.
Oh, that's good water level. Yeah, see, people are so friendly over. No one's using anyone. Throw like the whole box in there basically.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, shiver, it's
So
fine.
knocking out some soap, looks like.
Yeah, it's not. There's a lot of soap. Oh yeah, you hang your clothes on top of it, isn't it? The little...
Oh yeah. Hooks.
12 minutes. That was fast. That's. Oh yeah, they only do one. They only do one. No, they only do 2 rinses. Yeah, who told me? Yeah, someone told me they only do 1 rinse. No,
really?
they do rinse and final rinse. Yeah. Well, they do. They do rinse final. It's got a drain soon.
Yep.
I'm glad we didn't use top loaders.
Oh yeah. We wouldn't be able to see any of this.
You got to like lift it a little bit and then put the camera
Yep.
like that.
The one at my dad's house is a top loader, but you can have it open and watch what happens.
Yeah, I know on like domestic ones how to put the screwdriver in the lock and the lid switch it all. But the commercial ones they've done it so the lid switches inside the machine. You can't do it.
Like the newer ones, right?
Yeah, that's what it. Oh. It's nice. good wash action. Anytime soon would be good. There. Draining. I don't know if these models distribute now.
Oh, yep, there it goes.
I'm trying to think, I'm sure they distribute. Yes, yes. No, no, oh, that's good then. I'll just go straight in the spin. Slow tumble. Yeah, I think it's going to stop. Oh, it slowly goes into spin. I thought it would just shoot into spin straight away. It's actually spinning that. Wow, okay. And you can't even hear it, it's that quiet.
Yeah, it's very quiet.
You can sort of hear it.
Hmm?
You can sort of hear it.
Yeah, a little bit. Seems like it's getting faster, isn't it?
Yeah, very slowly, like. And that's
Oh,
it.
now it's slowing down, yeah. It's time for the final race. 9 minutes left.
Some of them like break really hard when they stop.
Oh, like. Yeah.
And then, there's one in other place would. The speed queens would. They. Wait. Oh. There. Oh my god. Like,
Oh, this is the. I think this is the point where.
Conditioner.
Yeah, they'll get the. It'll pick up the fabric softener. If you have any in there.
that should rinse fine for that.
Because the other one is 24 hours.
Oh, did it come in? So where you're stood now, from there, just to there, that's our laundrette. We just have one row of machines and that's it. That's all we have.
Wow.
We have like a couple of large ones and then small ones follow on.
Wow,
we don't have it. We're not. Yeah. And then you have the dryers this side. You have the washers that side, dryers this side.
Oh.
This place I don't think has one. You don't have a spin dryer here.
Spin dryer?
It's like a century. You put your clothes, it just spins really fast. Like stuff.
Oh no.
Yeah, so we have those in England, like all the ceiling fans. I just. Let's go. Shining in, that's not going to go well. Could have ended badly.
Hmm?
That could have ended badly.
Oh, you do?
She was climbing on the big. I thought it was going to topple over.
Yeah. Where's the lady? Oh, she's over there.
Where's she? She's gone in there.
Huh?
Oh, the one in there.
I think there's two ladies over here. I think one of them works at night.
Right, we're going to final spin now. I know the rinsing looks bad, but we didn't use any conditioner, so that's fine. That's fine. I'm not. That should change to spin. Very soon. What's the camera looking more? Spin, yeah. There we are. Let's change to spin now. Well, it's going clockwise. I thought it went anti-clockwise earlier.
I don't know. You think so?
I don't know. There we are. I think this is about 750 RPM or so. I don't know how fast. Someone pointed it out. I thought it was 1,000. Whoa. You might be able to hear that. You double film, yeah, just to get.
Filming.
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold one?
No, just for Instagram. I do a little quick clip for Instagram. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, are you? That's what they're gonna be like. Have you used a? That's going up now. 500. Oh. You can hear it now.
Yeah, I hear it.
That's about 600 eyes. Yeah, 600 RPM. That's not so fast, but it's shaking a bit. I don't even see it.
I can feel it.
I must be unbalanced. This must be my genes doing that. All the weight on one side of the. Where is that from? Shaking up, baby.
Huh?
Where is that from? You always comment on my video like when a washing machine shakes.
Yep. Was it your hot point doing that? Or?
Oh yeah, when it went back. Yeah.
Yeah. I think it was the hot point.
And the ones that I tested at British Art Foundation, they always jump about there.
It would be really cool if we could find one with the what's it called, the filter flow?
Oh, the GE filter.
Yeah.
They're actually commercial, some of them.
Really?
The filter, and it's
I would
got
love to see one.
FLO. That's what I like.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got the Megalo behind us.
Look at that part.
You know, a little car. I thought these were 750 RPM. Well, that's 600. Or at least 1,000, I thought. Not shaking that much though. Busy now.
Oh yeah.
Dexter.
Yeah, I think the minutes are longer.
They are, I think, yeah.
It said 5 minutes, 10 minutes ago.
Shaking a little bit. Shake. Listen while I talk to you.
You know, my mom, she used to sing that to me when I was a baby. Of course,
that?
I don't remember.
Which one's that?
Twist and shout.
Shit, twist and shout.
She used to hold me and make me do the twist.
I wonder if that's going to break. It's just going to oh. That sounds epic, actually, slowing down. I wish used to spin brake models. It's probably anti-crease or anti-tangles, is it? Yeah, it just like gets all the triangles on. That'll be an extra minute probably of that.
This means we have 10 minutes left. They've mixed up the 1 and the 0.
It'd be good if it was a washer dryer.
What?
A washer dryer.
Oh yeah.
When it washes and dries it together.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Did you say wash? Did you say combo? Combo.
Combo.
I'm hoping it'll just unlock straight away, unless we've got to wait 2 minutes for it to unlock. Horses only.
That's it.
Oh, it doesn't open all the way. Rippage. Let's have a look. Oh, thank God it hasn't dyed any of my clothes a different colour. I was like thinking, I reckon there's going to be something stuck to the drum. No.
Great.
Oh, that's the Tumble guy. Look at this, guys. Look. You don't get this in England. Oh my God, they put boots in there. Jesus, that's not going to go. That's not going to go down very well. In the dryers now.
Oh, this one's still warm.
Oh, that's good.
Fabric.
To protect my shorts, I'm going to not put on full heat. Yeah. I think I'll put it in this pocket now. I should have used a cleaning solvent on. Oh, right. Well, I haven't used cleaning solvent on yet, thanks. Jeez. That quarter there, is it?
Yeah, that's a quarter.
Which one is it? I think you're right. Okay, just put it in there then. You're right.
Well, it just needs the buttons like this.
That's good, yeah. There we go, guys. Look at that.
All together.
Someone using our machine. Oh, I think someone's using our one.
Already?
Yeah, they took it straight away. It's like a little shopping basket on wheels. I thought I'd be inside an American laundromat.
First, this is your second visit, but your first evening.
Yeah. If we came in over there, guys, I took a photo with them.
Yeah.
Oh, the TV's all over. Oh, they got fluorescent tubes up there as well in theirs. Not LED. Yeah, we've all gone LED in England now.
LED?
Yeah, they all want to use LED. It's getting hot. It's getting warm, yeah.
Oh, how many quarters did you put in there?
2.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I was like, you put 1 and 14 now? That's awesome. It's double the time.
That one's not working. There's any other machines going now? Oh, someone's using Downy. They've got a ceiling fan. What's time? 10 to 2. Oh, we've got plenty of time. We've got plenty of time.
Oh, yeah. It is almost 2 o'clock.
Said 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
I don't even know where she is though. I've got to find out what address. Not an address, got to find a street name.
Yeah.
Oh God.
2 more hours.
Oh God, man, I don't want to know. Everyone knows on here anyway. Like I've told everyone on the site. You can tell when they're getting dry because they don't stick to the side of the.
Yeah. And they start to look fluffier and the color changes. It's lighter.
Yeah. It's the jeans that'll take longest to dry.
Yeah.
With the heat here though, you don't really need a dryer. That's the.
Yeah, you just take them outside and they'll dry up immediately.
One down there, guys.
They just step outside.
It just held it up like that and it was dry.
Yep.
Yeah, if you brought it yesterday, it would have dried.
Yeah.
Lay it on the floor and it would just dry.
Crack an egg on the sidewalk and it'll go.
I reckon if you could, I reckon if you did, it would. Oh, that's
Stack dryer.
yeah, stack. I guess that's why.
Oh, and they're also the apartments. They're stacked on top of each other. The washer and dryer. Yeah. And the washer and dryer. They're both front loaders.
That's what they do in England. They stack your washer and dryer on top of each other.
They look really nice.
Oh, long one, I think these are gas dryers. I'm not sure.
What?
I think these are gas dryers.
Gas dryer?
Yeah, they don't use a heating element. I think they use like like flame behind it. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can tell they're getting dry now.
It doesn't stay on today.
It's just two dryers on their own over there. Four, yeah.
That's like the sweet spot. I think.
Oh, this is where we came and I just went and just like, yeah, just get back.
Which one?
10 minutes to go. That seems long. Guys, that's... Yeah, it might be a little bit damp, but we'll just... actually, I can iron dry it.
You what?
Iron dry it. You can use the irons to dry it.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I love doing that.
You can see like some of the steam coming up.
I left my bag over there.
Your bag?
Yeah.
Oh, to put your things in?
Actually, probably just stuff it in here. Yeah, I think I've... Oh, there it is. It's on top of the machine. There it is. Yeah, I'll look on top of it. Oh, nice. That one's spinning. That's it. Yeah, that one has been overloaded.
Oh, you want the $70?
Oh yeah, I went there. They're really nice though, they are.
They know me pretty well in there.
I went in there twice in one day. And they're like... I went in there twice in one day and there were two different staff until...
Do you remember what they look like?
Oh, one was called Katie, I think. Katie.
I don't really know their names, I just know their faces. We always talk in there. They're like, how was your dog today? Because I mostly get my dog food from there.
I went out just like got little stuff to put in the refrigerator. I thought,
that's right.
I thought I'm going to be eating so much junk food. I thought I'm not going to really need to. Hey, that's nice.
Clothes are now washed.
Let's end it. Hey guys, thanks for watching that. That was our. Which one was it? We used number. It was number 15's being used. They're all going.
Oh yeah.
How much phones on that? They're all going. My ending line is always this: keep it supreme and go with the flow.